This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix the Apple ID grayed out issue on iPhone. So if your Apple ID not working or grayed out, follow these two solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is open your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on screen time, tap on content and privacy restrictions, scroll down. Here tap on account changes, enter here your screen time passcode and here select allow. Then you will see the problem has been solved. And if the problem didn't solve, follow the second solution. Scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset all settings. Once done, hope the Apple ID grayed out issue will be solved. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.